Okay, let's see the second property or property number 2. The product of extremes equals the product of means. What does it mean? If we have two ratios and they are proportions, 2 over 3 equals 6 over 9. So we have the first term 2 and the second term is 3, the third is 6 and the fourth is 9. Here 2 and 9 are the extremes and 3 and 6 are means. So here the second property says that the product of the extremes, which are 2 and 9, 2 times 9 equals the product of means, 3 times 6. In other words, or in other form, we can say that 2 times 9 equals 3 times 6, like the cross multiplication. Okay, let's see example. Find the missing term in each of the following. What over 6 equals 20 over 30? We have two ways. The first way, we will see 6 became 30. How? Yes, excellent. We multiply 6 times 5. So what times 5 equals 20? Excellent. 4. 4 times 5 equals 20. Or we can use the second property, which is the product of means equals the product of extremes, which means 6 times 20 equals what times 30? So we multiply 6 times 20 over 30, the answer will be 4. The next one, 5 over 8 equals 17.5 over what? Yes, excellent. We will do the same. 8 times 17.5 over 8 over 5 equals 28. The third one, 5, 6, 10, and what? These terms are proportion. So 6 times 10 over 5 equals 12. Exercise. Let's see. Find x. We will use the second property, which is 7 times 8 over 2. So x equals 28. The cross multiplication. Number B, 8 over x equals 0.5. Okay, 0.5 here is it's like 0.5 over 1. Of course, we know any whole number is equal to the same number over 1. So we will put 0.5 over 1 to make the cross multiplication easier. So 8 times 1 divided 0.5. The answer will be 16. Number C, x plus 2 over 6 equals 1 over 2. Find x. Okay, don't panic, it's so easy. We will do the same. So we will take x plus 2 equals 1 times 6 divided 2. So x plus 2 equals 3. How are we going to find x? Yes, excellent. We will put plus 2 after the equal sign and we change the plus into minus. So x equals 3 minus 2 equals 1. So x equals 1. The last one, we have 18, x, 5, and 10. How we're going to do it? Yes, 18 as the first term, x is the second term, 5 is the third, 10 is the fourth. And we do the cross multiplication. X equals 18 times 10 over 5 equals 35. E. 5a equals 7b, then a over b equals what? Okay, here's a little tricky. 5a equals 7b. 5a means 5 times a and 7 times b. So here we have the means and the extremes. Let's rearrange them. We will put 7, 5, a, and b. And as we know before that 7 is the first term and 5 is the second term, so this is the first ratio. And A is the third term, B is the fourth term, so this is the second ratio. Or 5 and A are means and 7 and B are extremes, so we can arrange it as we want. So 7 over 5, this is the first ratio, equals A over B, which is the second ratio, and this is the answer. So A over B equals 7 over 8. Okay, thank you so much. I hope that you enjoyed. See you inshallah next lesson. Goodbye.